Here, I'm back. It's finished. Yeah, it all says finished. So, turn it off. And got washing basket. I'll have a look if it's washed okay. Oh, it smells all nice. It did when I opened the washer anyway. Oh, everything seems okay. Everything seems, yeah, looks alright. Well, there we go. First use of new washer. It's not new no more now, is it? Oh, and I got buttons. Oh well, I just thought I'd show it you. Yeah, seems okay. Yeah, I mean, I didn't really want a new washer. If mine hadn't have packed in, and it did, I'd still had that one. But these things happen. So yeah, so I have to have a new one. Still got label. You can't take them ones off. So, but yeah. Yeah, and I do like the bigger drum, the bigger entrance. So there we go. Happy new washer. Hope you're all okay. Hope you're all taking care of each other. And I'll see you again soon then. Hopefully.